Hi friends, welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. If you are new here, we would love to have you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notifications every time one of us uploads a new video. And I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up. I'm Kim and I'm here to introduce you to the new Summer Vibes pattern paper stack. You can see here, this is 12 sheets of fabulous cardstock. Lots of fun color here. You can see you get 6 different patterns and 6 different colored cardstocks. So each pattern has a different color of cardstock on the back of it. So these are double-sided papers. I love this 6x8 size. I love to make 6x8 photo albums or scrapbook albums. So this paper is great for some of those projects that I do. And I love it because I also use this in my traveler's notebooks. I just cut it down in width. I love that it's a 6x8 paper. And you can see this is nice heavyweight cardstock, and it's got this really pretty glossy shine to it that I always feel like makes my cards look just a bit more professional. So I love the finish on this paper. It's beautiful. Now, I don't have a ton of colored cardstock in my stash, so I always appreciate getting that colorful coordinating colored back on the pattern papers. I really like this, and you can see these fun patterns, perfect for either gender, and it's beautiful. This is my favorite. I love that floral. This is a super fun one here too with the, are those toucans or puffins? I'm not sure. Love the faces and the sunglasses on the pineapples. I think it's such a whimsical pattern, and I can't wait to get started creating with it. Here are 2 cards that I created with 1 sheet of that really pretty floral design. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see I used some of the orange in the set to create a reverse scallop stitched frame around both of my Happy Summer word die sentiments. And you can see there is a shadow die with that Happy Summer sentiment, but doesn't that paper look fantastic? It makes it so easy to create a fabulous card. Lots of color for summer, and you can find this pattern paper in the Cat Scrappiness shop along with the other products I used. I will link those below. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Have a wonderful day.